In this tips video, I'm gonna share with you some pressing tips on how to get the perfect crisp edges on your rounded binding. So now I'm going to press from the back of the quilt, and I'm going to be pressing this binding, just the straight edges, to make this edge really crisp, nice and crisp. And I'm not going to press these curves just yet because they pop out really nice, but I will press them from the front here in just a minute. And I'm actually going to turn this. And you want to make sure you press really well this seam where we tucked in the tail of the binding. Just because that has a little bit of excess fabric, you want to make sure that that gets a nice press in it. Okay, and now we're ready to flip it over. And the curves are really going to kind of press themselves from the back side. There isn't much to do. They really naturally kind of want to lay flat. And so we're just going to fold those over and then hit those with an iron. And then after that, you can go in and attach your binding clips. And then once you get to your starting point, you can go ahead and stop and just make sure that you've attached your binding clips, and then you're ready for the next step.